Today we will learn how to make a single point 3-pin female plug with extension cable, flexible wire extension cable for a longer distance wherever it is required with a 3-pin plug. So easily at home we can check. So the tools required here is cutter like this, remove the insulation, and line tester to check to remove the screws, and let's begin. So this is a extension box. Let us remove the screws and check. So all the four screw has been removed. So this is the inside connection. So you can check here. There are 3 points. One is a line and one is neutral. This black wire is neutral and red wire is line. Earthing is remain open. So because this is a flexible wire, only we require 2 points. We have left the earthing. Only line and neutral is connected to this two wires, flexible wire, in order to make a longer longer length flexible extension. So like this, this is the female plug, and just to the line point we have connected the red wire, and to the neutral black wire this is left free. And this is a box where this has to be fitted. So we will pull it. Once the fixation has been done, we will fix the box, tighten all the four screws like this. So here the same thing. This is a 3-pin plug with this extension wire which we have fitted extension cable. So longer length extension cable is there. We have fitted. Now this, with this we have pinned this 3-pin plug like this. How the connection is done here. See here, inside to the neutral point we have connected the black wire, and to the line point we have connected the red wire in the plug. Once this has been done, your extension cable is ready for use. Extension plug and extension cable is been done. You can just check it by using a point, so that whether it is working or not. I have taken an extension cable. Now plug this in a point, and we can check whether it is working or not. See here, and the tester is glowing. So everything is all right. The extension cable is working. So this is how we can design a single point extension cable for your longer distance extension with a flexible wire. Thank you very much. Please subscribe the channel. We will meet with some more knowledgeable video. Till then, have a nice day.